Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping your PC from sleeping automatically on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select System from the left sidebar. Now select Power and Battery. In Power and Battery settings, you will see the options for putting your device to sleep. Set it to Never to prevent your PC from sleeping automatically. You can have different options for if your laptop is connected to power or running on battery. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.